Farmer John's on a Sunday this morning, guys. Let's go. So guys, welcome back. We're here on a Sunday with Josh and Jess, just over there in the start hut, and we're having a few laps at John's today. Here they come. Yo. Yo. Yeah, so a few laps at John's today. Just a Sunday fun day, chilled ride. So I'm going to take you guys along for the ride. I've already done a few laps, but my GoPro's been playing up this morning, so I don't know how many of them laps I got on camera. So I might take you to them now if we got some. So let's see what we do. Catch you out there. See you soon.
Ooh, Danny getting loose on that whip. So following Jess and Danny down, dropping in for the rest of the flow line now. We'll go and explore a bit more around the bike park, see how it's rolling today. Wow! Yeah, guys.
Landed that a bit rear heavy then. So, quick lap with Marcus. Marcus is one of the locals here. Towed Gene into a canyon when he did it for the first time. Always seemed to see him, but never really done a proper lap with him. So, thought, get a lap today with him. And we're going straight into 50. Marcus is a big extender. Great guy, always watches the channel. Went deep into that one then. Mate, we was both in the air at the same time then, on the whole end jumps. Yeah, ready? So, gonna try again with Marcus, because I had my fucking GoPro in widescreen. No pedals between the canyon and double there. I'm happy with that. Usually pedal. Yo. Yo, mate, that was even closer, that, I think. That was sick.
Be as close to me as you
like.
like.
I'm gonna be. Mate, I don't think you could have got any closer. I had to jump at the side of you on the left.
I went low to do the exit.
Literally, you're there and I'm there. Yeah. So guys, been a fun day here. Few laps. Good session with Josh and Jess. Always a fun session with them. Them two got off not so long ago. I'm about to do the same myself. Been fun to hit up some laps with Marcus. Never done some laps with him before, so that was a good laugh. And yeah, obviously not had the best GoPro day, so don't know what sort of footage you're gonna have. I know the last few laps will be alright, but yeah, I'd messed up the settings on my GoPro. I don't know how. I must have been touching it while I was holding it, so and messing with the screen. So yeah, catch you guys in the next one. Hopefully we'll have some better footage next time. Take care, see you soon.